everybody. I wanted to say thank you so much to everybody who watched my last folk art video. Thank you so much for all of the likes and subscribes. I really appreciate it. So here's another one.
And I will know when the moment comes, I will feel it's time.
So I absolutely love the folk art painters that are in East Canada, and I'm inspired by a painting by Cathy Koball. Hope I'm pronouncing her name right. Big fan of yours. Love all of your work. So this is kind of my appreciation for her. Started with cerulean blue and white, put a lot more white in the upper left hand corner to establish my light source. I actually used a lavender, a Windsor violet with white for my snow, because no snow is perfectly white. And then I used a little bit of a deeper shade of lavender for the mountains in the background. I let that dry. Hair dryer is a very good tool for an artist. And then I actually used an ultrafine Sharpie to sketch out the rest of my design. So here I'm just showing you how I made sure I used vanishing points, 2-point perspective, to make sure that all of my rooftops are pointing in the right direction. Once I'd sketched it out with Sharpie, then I started painting it all in, really honouring the folk art style, that it's nice chunky simple colours, really just kind of establishing light sources and shadows. I did make my clouds a little bit more realistic. I know when Cathy paints, she makes them a bit more stylized. I do prefer a little bit more realistic clouds in my paintings, and I also reflected that in the snow. I used yellow ochre for the trees, and then I used burnt umber for the shadows on the trees. So I love those two colour combinations, they're really nice and bright. I made a lime green with my cerulean blue and cadmium yellow and white for the first house. The second house I used a little bit of my yellow ochre again and some cadmium red to make some oranges, and then on the far right, the barn, I put in some pinks with some cadmium red, a little bit of the violet that I used in the snow to tie it all together, and some white. So I think the rest is pretty self-explanatory. I used some of the violet to create my shadows in the snow, but I'm gonna let you listen to the music, watch in your own time. Please feel free to pause and rewind the video. You can change the speed to a little bit more slow motion if you prefer to paint along, but I hope you enjoyed it, and please do like and subscribe and follow some of my other videos. Let me know what you're interested in learning in the comment section. I'd love to post some more videos for you, and I've also got lots of drawing videos on there as well. Take care, have a lovely day.
I know somewhere up ahead you're back.